Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in TikTok using mobile number. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step that you need to follow is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and click on switch account, then you need to click on add account, and here you need to click on use phone or email, and go back, and then you need to click on login and click on use phone email, and here you need to put your number. So I'm going to enter my number, and then you need to click on send code, and here you need to scroll it here like this, and you will receive a code. And if you do not want to log in with code, you simply need to click on login with password in the bottom. So I am wait for the code, and I am, so you can see that I receive a code. Okay, so let me copy that code here. So that is my code, that is 295210. 295210. So wait for a few seconds. I am going to log in my account. So now you can see that I am logged in my account. So this is a process by which you can log in your TikTok account using mobile number. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.